Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a channel on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open the Telegram app, and after that go to the icon on the top right of the screen, the square with a pen, click on it, and after that, as you can see, the third option is new channel. Click on it. And after that, click on create channel. Put the channel name. I will name it YouTuber. You can also put a description for your channel in the description place. And also you can add a picture to your channel. After that, I will click next. And I will choose if the link of the channel will be, or the channel will be public or private. And after that, you will have that link that you can share to invite people to your channel. And after that, you will have that restrict saving content. That means you don't want the subscribers of your channel to save the content on it. After that, click next. And you can start inviting people to your channel. So for example, I do this, click next. And as you can see, this is our channel ready, and you can invite people to it and do whatever you want with that channel. And of course, you can always go to channel settings, and as you can see, you can remove users. You can add administrators, you can see your subscribers, you can do whatever you want with it. You can do live streaming, you can search with it, you can boost your channel, archive, stories, enable auto delete, clear chat. As I told you, or like I told you, you can do whatever you want with your channel. I hope that you like this video. To see more videos from us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next